so since nibonile ukuthi ungene yena umdlalo ule phezulu.
Absolutely.
Because nibonile ngendlela gadla ngakhona noma commission.
Yes.
So ngiyazi futhi ukuthi u-election naye utshintshile sesinomadlamini.
Yeah.
Okhona lapha ohola ama-election eKZN. So wayengibhala ngokuthi ngimgqugquzele ngizama ukuthi masingaphelile umoya comrades. Ngisho nami bengikhathazeka ukuthi kwenzakalani empatini, but nayi-ke i-response ukuthi i-leadership ibonile ukuthi njengoba sesisondela kakhulu okukhethweni sekuyisikhathi ukuthi sihlengahlengise nathi also la leadership so that sizophuma i-direction siyithole kahle ukuthi siya kanjani phambili. So also ningadideki and ningabi discouraged. Nikuthola ukuthi netha impendulo mabazokriticize ukuthi i-MKP i-confused akho stability ngena phuma what. I-right ngaleyo ndlela ngoba i-MKP is a very dynamic organization. MKP ayithi mayibona ukuthi khona la kufanele kulungiswe khona iloko ihleli ingalungise wathi isikhathi sihamba iyalungisa i-agile ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi angeke ukuthi ubone ukuthi indlela kufanele ngabe ihamba so elelo ya comrade lo okhona la angaba right makaba le ngoba le anayo ifitha kakhulu lapha ya actually lo ya kufanele enze la ngoba le anayo le ibaluleke kakhulu ukuthi ize la. So inezinto ezifana nale akho confusion at all, but kuyinto yokuthi i-leadership ye-MKP iyakwazi uku-responda to the prevailing conditions on the ground, on the spot. So this is what is happening. So manizwa bakhuluma-ke begxeka ipati yethu uma bezwa manizwa bagxeka ipati yethu kufanele ukuthi nikwazi ukuyidefenda. Sindlule lapho quickly mangini update again ngiyabona ukuthi ithim kakhulu abo-comrade okubhala abo-comrade Sipho abayithulile namhlanje has to do about the issue ye-constitution. Mangini update again niyazi vele ukuthi right now i-constitution i-under review. Kunezinto eziningi esitholakale ukuthi azihambisani kahle ngendlela eyokuthi ingasiyenza ukuthi sikhone ukuqhubeka ngendlela ezosificisa phambili ngegalelo elikhulu. So kwaba into yokuthi make i-reviewiwe i-constitution so that lango ma-items ebonakala ngathi asisa emuva kancane or asichithela isikhathi maswalungise fast si-replace izinto. So ikhona i-constitutional review committee and I happen to be part of it also. Ngempela uComrade Sipho Shilo nayo afikile and ayafika sevaliwe kodwa ama-inputs afikile ama-inputs already also sekuzoqala-ke manje into yokuthi makusebenzwe ekutheni i-constitution i-reviewiwe sizothola i-document entsha eyokuthi whatever that has been reviewed nanini khona kuba ne-access yayo. My third one ukuhamba also again ukufakazela inkulumo yaka-Comrade Sipho makakhuluma ngendaba ye-discipline. Ngiyathanda ngamampela ukuthi wherever we have an opportunity to gather together like this masi-addresseni indaba ye-discipline because you know i-observation ekhona ukuthi hey i-discipline ibhokile epatini yethu ibhokile i-discipline and kubhoke into yokuthi ama-values langa abhalwe la aswaphile. The way sikhuluma ngakhona with each other, the way si-interacta ngakhona with each other ayibonisi lama-values abhalwe la. Ama-values akhona for instance yo-ubuntu singabantu abamnyama ngempela yinto esikhulele kuyo le into esiyiphila singafundiswanga ngayo kodwa imangaze eyokuthi mase silana-ke kumkhonto wesizwe sizithola sesibehave ngendlela eyokuthi asazi nokuthi ubuntu buyini. It cannot be correct, comrades, ukwenza ngale ndlela. So kubalulekile ke ukuthi sikhumbuzane kubalulekile ukuthi sikhumbuzane ukuthi lama values abhalwe la awabhalwanga for ukuthi abelong to the book kuphela. Ne? Awabhalwanga la for ukuthi abelong encwadini. Lama values abhalwe ukuthi siwathathe siwafake engqondweni yethu nasenhliziyweni yethu bese sesiyawaphila. And besengishilo ukuthi ubona kanjani ukuthi umuntu uphila ama values womkhonto wesizwe langa abhaliwe ku constitution. Umbona ngendlela akhuluma nawe ngayo. Umbona ngendlela enza ngayo uma interact nawe. Uvele umbheke uthi hey waze umuntu wadelela bo. Waze umuntu wakhwenza bo. Waze umuntu wangamazi omunye umuntu bo. Bese siyamangaza leyo nto ukuthi kanjani ngoba if singazi ukuthi inhlonipho yini ubuntu yini, if singazi ukuthi ihumility yini, sinesibonelo thina masibo MKP. Ubaba uNcamalala upresident wethu uyi embodiment yama values omkhonto wesizwe.
Absolutely.
Ubaba uNcamalala uyakwazi ukuthi makakhuluma noma ngabe ungakanani noma ngabe uphansi kangakanani ukhuluma nawe recognize ukuthi you are a human
being. Yeah.
Uye osiholayo, uye umholi wethu, uye upresident wethu. Sekayibekile example kithi ukuthi masikhuluma ngehumility what do we mean? Ngoba maybe uzoqala masikhuluma nje kuphela ukuthi hey kufanele sibe nerespect, kufanele sibe nobuntu, kufanele sibe nehumility. Maybe we don't understand. So I'm saying ke kithi masibhekeni ngendlela upresident wethu enza ngakhona bese uyazicheka nawe wenze self introspection. Uthi the way mina ngenza ngakhona is it the way ubaba uNcamalala enza ngakhona na? Bese uma uzibona ukuthi awukho emgqeni uzilungise. Ngendlela kuma WhatsApp group kukhona ukunyatsana nokudelelana ngakhona.
Too much.
Actually kuze kube ngazuthi uzibuza ukuthi bathi labantu ngempela abantu ababelieve kwi-vision nemission yomkhonto wesizwe laba abaphathana ngalendlela enje. Bese iyaqala really because ukukhumbula ukuthi izinto maziku social media obviously ziyaphuma also ziye kuma enemies wethu. Bese uyazibuza ukuthi why sifuna ukubonisa ama enemies wethu ngendlela siphathana kabi ngakhona. Ayikho right ngaleyo ndlela. So I'm saying mina i-discipline comrades ibaluleke ngalendlela ne. Ibaluleke ngalendlela eyokuthi sometimes the way epatini yethu kwenzeka ngakhona you actually will tell ukuthi noma sekuthiwani khona bathunyelwe la.
Absolutely.
Mina ke quickly I say mangihlangana nabo comrades kodwa masingabi ngazi ukuthi sibhizi siqaphile ukuthi ubani othunyelwe ubani ongathunyelwa. Umuntu makazibheke yena.
Absolutely.
Number 1. And number 2, fanele ukuthi sonke sibe disciplined ngalendlela eyokuthi lo othunyelwe asheshe abonakala. Ngoba uma sonke samba ngediscipline samba ngomthetho oyi-1 sonke uncisha ispace kulo othunyelwe. Kodwa uma ngabe si operate ngendlela yokuthi asina discipline makufanele senze into omunye nomunye udonsela le kuyaliwa kwenziwa yonke lento leyo i-environment efunwa yi-enemy leyo. I-enemy yakhona uku-operate kahle manje. Ngoba kuvele kuthiwe abantu laba bana discipline kanti no sekhona inyawo lempela mara ukhona ukulibona inyawo lempela mangabe kugcwele nje into engana discipline. So ibaluleke ngaleyo ndlela mangabe sizimisele ukuprotecta ipati yethu i-discipline into ezowenza ukuthi ipati yethu iprotected. I'm saying i-discipline yenza ukuthi kuncintsheke ispace for labantu abathunyelwe uzobulala i-MKP.
Absolutely.
Bavele nje bangabi nespace. So another thing ke eyogcina engizoyikhuluma kunale value ekhuluma ne-unity in action. I-unity in action ikhuluma into eyokuthi ngempela as we call ourselves ukuthi singabo comrade bomkhonto wesizwe. Actually ithi ngimi kancane unity in action. Ngikhumbula igama la comrade. Le important kakhulu. I have to come with this part. Ukhomrade president uthe asisabizani abo command. Angithi. And kuyiqiniso ngoba ngalesa sikhathi sibizana abo commanders sonke. Then sonke we assumed leadership position. Then akazange asaba khona oholwayo. Ngoba sonke singabaholi. And ngaleyo ndlela that is why discipline ingena ngakhona. Because maso uthi uyatshelwa ukuthi commander bese ukuthi wena kube uwe oyenza no commander wayifanele atshelwe uwe ngoba naye ucommander. So at the end ngaleyo ndlela uthola ukuthi sekukhona ukunyatseka nokunyatsana and so on and so on. So in his wisdom uComrade president uthe asiyeke ukuthi singabo comrade singama commander asiyama commander now singabo comrade. Yes. What is important is to understand ukuthi mase sibizana comrade kanje what do we mean. So I like ukuthi ngireflect ekutheni mina ngisase esikolweni the time ngisazabalaza ngama-80s eBeirut bekuyinto eyokuthi ngazibuza ukuthi njengoba sibizana bo-comrade what does it mean. Ngaya ku-Oxford Dictionary ngiyabona ukuthi comrade means friend. Kodwa mase ngifika emahlathini ase-Angola sengitraina laphaya e-MK sengiyafundiswa ukuthi ucomrade usho into enje. Ucomrade is somebody ovumile ngelife yakhe wadecide ukuthi mina I am going to sacrifice my life for ucomrade wami, in a sense that mase kushaya isibhamu laphayana and ngibona ukuthi actually I am mina ngisaphethe i-ammunition ngisasenayo and ucomrade yena sekaphelelo. Ngizomvalela ucomrade ngilwe to a point eyokuthi even if kungafa mina as long as ucomrade wami yena azosila. They understand ukuthi comradeship lo muntu is more than your brother, more than your sister. Umuntu ozimisela ukuthi angafa for wena. Ngicela ucabange ke. Maqala umuntu akhuluma nawe athi comrade Bongani, athi comrade Sipho, athi comrade Ntokozo. Aqala nje athi comrade, immediately usabela ekutheni lo muntu uthi wena you can die in my place. Wena uzongivikela makukubi. So can you imagine again? Can we graduate sifike kwi-level eyokuthi you can really sacrifice your life kodwa uhlulekile ukuhlonipha nomuntu? Is it possible?
Simple thing.
So iqala kancane i-comradeship. Iqala ngokuthi lo muntu umbonise ukuthi wena mina nawe, you know, I'm so considerate with situation yakho. Nalendlela engikhuluma ngawe nawe ngayo ibonisa ukuthi I recognize you as a human being. Then iya graduate vele iyafika ekutheni, you know what, mina I can lay my life for you ngoba ucomrade wami. So singabe abantu abakhuluma ama-slogan, hey comrade, ama-rhetoric, hey ucomrade this and that, when we know ukuthi actually we don't mean it.
You don't mean it, yeah.
Let's mean it, comrades. You know when we can mean that, angeke yonke le division ibe khona. You know mangabe umuntu umrecognize as a comrade, uzorecognize as well ukuthi une capacity le mina enginganayo. Therefore it means mangabe kufanele ukuthi khona umuntu ozoyenza le responsibility eso, I can even say no, mina ngikho ready, but right ucomrade lo ngaba uyongenayo, so that ingabi nento yokubisana about these things. Mina ngayibona eLimpopo sihambile no comrade president nama national officials la khona u-female comrade laphaya, u-comrade Virginia. U-comrade Virginia kwathi kune-situation eyokuthi ku-important ukuthi i-province ihlangane. And for i-province ukuthi ihlangane, lela side nalela side have to come together. Mara, i-balance kwi-scale ayikho right. U-comrade Virginia wayibona ukuthi, you know, even though vele le position eyami, but ukukhela kwami ngivumele u-comrade loya ukuthi angene, kuzoba ne-unity kule province. She did that without anybody convincing her to do it. Ngikhuluma ngomuntu one-following o-popular ngale ndlela. She did that and she made a speech and you know le speech ngathi singahlale sisidlala nje, you know, so that abo-comrade babone ukuthi let it possible. It's possible ukuba uthathe ama-interest akho as an individual, uwabeke esayidini, uthathe ama-interest e-organization, ubeke wona phambili. It's possible. Lento i-possible iyayenzeka. Akusukuthi ibekelwe abo-comrade abathile. Nami ngingayenza, nawe ungayenza. Okwethu is to always think for ama-interest e-organization before ama-interest ethu. Leyo nto ibaluleke ngoba for us to move forward and indeed sithathe i-country so that sithathe i-land and the wealth beneath the soil. Kuzofuna ukuthi si-move in unison nge-unity in action. Mara i-unity in action angeke izenzakalele iqala ngalo comrade nalo ngade way bakhuluma ngakhona with each other, ngade way baxhasana ngakhona when needs be, ngade way considerate towards each other. That's how it starts. I-unity in action, it starts small. Angeke ivile nje siso sazi ukuthi siyahlebana siyabona sihamba soqamba amanga ngamagama wethu ku-leadership, senzana i-backstabbing, senzia yonke lento, masiceda sithi siyenza i-unity in action manje. Let's move, we're going to take the land. It's not possible.
It's not.
So iyafuna ukuthi umuntu nomuntu azisearche ngaphakathi.
Absolutely.
Ukuthi ngempela I know masihleli sisonke nami ngiyagwaza and I know ngikhuluma ama-slogan. Kodwa iqiniso ngiyalazi ngaphakathi ukuthi mina ngimephi nalomkhonto wesizwe. Umuntu nomuntu azisearche and azikhuze ngoba umuntu nomuntu nonembeza. Every one of us une conscience. And i-conscience efunekayo manje, it calls for that. Ngoba iphathi yethu iya-attackwa. Ayi-attackwa kuphela amaphathi ala phakathi ekhantrini. I-attackwa ama-neoliberals anemali eningi ngendlela eyisimanga.
Absolutely.
Kodwa inida umuntu one-foresight. And umuntu one-foresight angeke uvele ube ne-foresight ukuthi i-conscience yakho. So wayibulala, unembeza wambulala. Ubathe uyamemeza, uyakhuza unembeza. Awumameli. Ngoba when you keep on defying and not listening to your conscience, no conscience gives up. Your conscience iyabiyeka. Ithi hamba. Yenzake lento ofuna ukuyenza. Into ebuhlungu ukuthi masowufelwe unembeza, ufe uphila ngoba you are expendable noma nama ubana ngakuyuza.
Absolutely.
Uma bafuna ukuthi MK iphele kusasa, they can simply use you nange-10 rand ngoba i-conscience ayisekho. So ukuthi nje singama-individuals we become true to ourselves. And ivele nje ibe into yamahloni ukuthi ubaba uMsholozi maka sacrifice i-youth yakhe, waspenda isikhathi eRobben Island, waspenda isikhathi e-exile, wayeka ukukhulisa abantwana bakhe, wabuya still. And you know ama-achievements achievements wakhe kulento abayibiza 9 wasted years engekho. We know ama-achievements akhe.
Absolutely.
Even Cyril Ramaphosa ngokwakhe, he said it. Kumavideo, we know that. So I'm saying, aqeda uku-achieve yonke lento ayenzile. Kodwa because the vision that he had, even in his youth, makajoyina umzabalazo, wokuyisa isithunzi somuntu omnyama, wokuyisa umhlaba nomnotho ezandleni zomuntu omnyama, he could not rest. He couldn't. Usukumile ngo-2024. Ayenze even before that ngolento mayiqala i-MKP. Even before, even ukulunchwa kwayo. Even before that, he thought about this thing, yamudla yamhlupha, kunokuthi areste in his old age. Wakhe ikhaya, the last hope yomuntu omnyama. The last hope. All we need to do is to be behind him.
Simple.
As simple as that. He has built this home for us. He has built a hope here to say pelelwe. All we need is just to be honest as comrades, is to be genuine as comrades, is to stop stabbing each other at the back. Singabo comrade. If not for ourselves, for our children and their children's children, for legacy, at the end of the day, and we stand up to be counted as those who said, Tina angeke sibe compromised, Tina angeke sithengwe, Tina angeke sibe yilaba abathunyiwe, but Tina will be those who are disciplined and we're going to conduct ourselves in a disciplined way. Sizo uphold and embody our values of the MKP. But when we do that, we shut the oxygen. We kill any possibility of labantu abathunyelwe ukuthi bazokhona uku-operate amongst ourselves. Amanda!
Away, Joe!